All right, what's up, everybody? We're sitting inside this beautiful 2017 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. Let's go ahead and crank her up and get this video started. We're going to go ahead and hit the start-stop engine button, which is located right down here with the foot on the clutch, because this is a 6-speed manual. She's sounding good. All right. We're at Southern Motor Company today in North Charleston, South Carolina. All right, stay with us. Let's go ahead and hop out and take a look at the exterior, take it for a test drive, give you all the details about this car.
All right, everybody, here she is, 2017 Ford Mustang Fastback 5.0 liter. It has just around 49,000 miles on it. The asking price here at the store is just around $29,900 for this beautiful pony. All right, let's walk around, check it out a little bit, see how the condition is. So far, nice and clean. You got your stripes going right over the top, looking good. Previous owner was a Ford Mustang enthusiast, had several before this one, and actually traded this one in on a GT 350 that we had here at the store. All right, let's take a look at the rear. Nice clean look. This one doesn't have a spoiler or anything like that. Dual exhaust. But again, the exterior body's in great shape, nice and clean. She does have a little morning dew on her, but other than that, not too bad. The exhaust is a custom exhaust, so it does have quite a bit of sound that comes along with it when cranking the vehicle up. But let me tell you, it sounds really, really good. On the front, we do have a set of Pirelli P0 tires. These are 255 40 series tires wrapped onto a 19-inch wheel. You also notice the Brembo brakes behind the rims. And then the wheels are a gloss black, which looks really nice. In the rear, you're also getting Pirellis at 275 40s in the back. So 255 in the front, 275 in the rear. Of course, it is rear-wheel drive, so a wider tire in the back than in the front. Tires are in really good shape. Plenty of tread, as you can see right there. Shouldn't have to replace tires anytime soon. All right, let's take a look at the interior. Of course, it does have window tint on the front two sides and back. Open her up. Of course, you have the black leather interior. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Seats are in great shape. Leather looks good. Nice thing about these seats, they're heated and cooled. So you got the heated and cooled features there on that. Manual transmission, of course, like we spoke about earlier. But overall, interior's in great shape. No rips, no tears, or anything like that at all. Looking good. All right, everybody, here's under the hood of the Mustang. Very clean. Looking good, right? The good old 5.0 liter. I think they call it a Coyote. As you can see, it does have a really nice intake system right here to let it breathe more and suck in more air, of course. And then you got your Mustang GT. I think they call this like a strut tower brace. Anyways, basically what this does right here is when going around corners and all that, when this vehicle's flexing, this is kind of stiffening things up so it handles better when driving. And then that beautiful 5.0 liter sitting under the hood here. Wow, what a absolutely gorgeous motor. It looks good. Very clean too. I mean, again, just around 49,000, almost 50,000 miles. So mileage is good. Price is just around $30,000. I think we got it online for $29,900, right around there. Man, it is definitely a American sports car for sure. People just absolutely love Ford Mustangs, you know? I mean, they really, really do. Whether it's an old school Mustang from back in the 60s and 70s, or whether it's a newer one, people just love Mustangs. They love Camaros and Corvettes, you know, anything American, V8, rear wheel drive, people just love. And it's nice to see one sitting right here at the store. Let's go ahead and take it out for a quick spin.
All right, everybody, let's go ahead and crank up the Mustang, see how she sounds, see how she rides. Sounds good. Like I said, the exhaust has got its own tone about it. I mean, it really sounds really good. All right, anyways. The main thing, I think you can understand, I mean, a 2017, 49,000 miles on it, it's gonna drive really good, right? And so that's the whole point of this, right? Is for you to be able to kind of get a feel of this car without necessarily having to be here at the store. So I hope this will help you in your decision on buying something like this. All right. Clutch feels good, of course.
Go ahead and pull her out. Sounds really nice. I'm loving the exhaust. It's just, man, it's a good sound. Like I said earlier, the clutch feels great. I mean, it's easy to shift through the gears with it. I mean, it truly feels like you got power when you're ready to shift and go, you know, which I like. Let's drop some gears down. We're in second. We're in second gear right now at about 2,500. Let's go ahead and roll up. Oh man, I love it. I really do. I mean, it's just something about a Mustang, right? It just, oh man. I mean, the GT350 that we had, that the man that had this bought, was an absolutely gorgeous vehicle, and it's got to be nice to be able to switch up rides in an instant when you're ready to do it, right? All right, let's go ahead and switch her around for a minute. See how quick we can do a little U-ey here. Drop it into first. So sleek. The look of the car, the feel of the car, I mean, this is just a nice ride. You know, it's a different feel driving something like this than driving maybe a Jeep Wrangler, you know? I mean, we love our Jeep Wranglers here at the store. I've been a fan of them for quite a while, but, you know, it's if you could have best of both worlds, it'd be nice to have the SUV with the big engine and all the power, right? And I think that's why, you know, Jeep came out with the Trailhawk. And Ford, man, they're bringing it to the game too with the Mach-E, right? Something different. Anyways, that's what it's all about. But the main thing is right now, if you're in the market for a Mustang and you want a 5.0, you just found one right here. Drop it in a third. Now, it does get a bit quieter inside the cabin when the windows are down for sure. This is such a sweet ride though. You know, this is your fun car. All about getting out and having fun. I really do think that's what this Mustang is all about. Let's go ahead and pull it back in and park it where we had had it at before we started filming. This pretty little pony was sitting right up here in the grass. We do have backup camera and all that good stuff as well. I mean, this isn't just a base model 5.0. I mean, this thing's got some really nice features on it. I'm comfortable too, which is nice, you know? I mean, I'm a little bit taller, 6'1", and I'm really nice and comfortable inside the Mustang. It's got plenty of headroom, plenty of leg room. I mean, and the seats feel good. I remember the last guy that went to when he traded this in, he was buying that Shelby GT, and the Shelby had the Recaro seats inside of it. And the Recaro seats are really, truly more of a racing seat. Big side bolsters and all that. So he definitely lost out on the heated and cooled seat package. But I still think the other seats were pretty comfortable as well. Of course, they kind of hold you in the seat a lot better when going around corners. But I mean, honestly, the GT350 that we had, I mean, that is really basically like a track car right out the get-go, right? Now this, hey, we can't say this isn't, because man, it's got plenty of power, but definitely with some upgrades and some different things done to it, you can turn this right here into a track vehicle. And heck, you can take it out on the road right now and track it if you wanted to.
But anyways, what a beautiful car. We're gonna finish off the video right here in the driver's seat. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, you know, are you a Mustang guy? Are you a Camaro or Corvette person? You know, some people, it's just like with trucks, you know, you're diehard Chevy, diehard Ford. You know, some people just absolutely love Mustangs. And again, I do remember the young man that traded this in. He was diehard Ford. And he's had, you know, I think the one he bought from us was number 6. So this one right here was his 5th Mustang. And anyways, he told me a few things I thought were kind of interesting about Mustang versus Chevy people. But anyways, we'll keep that for a later video. Maybe at some point later down the road, we'll talk about it, about Ford versus Chevy drivers. And maybe we'll do that sooner than I thought. But anyways, thanks for watching. I could just rattle on forever. But like, comment, subscribe. Keep watching Charleston Car videos, CCV. And come do some business with me right here at Southern Motor Company. We'll see you soon.